Ring ring! Ring ring! Ring ring!
Good morning. Thank you for calling JJ from our hotel. My name is Armando Silverao. I'm happy.
Hi, good morning. I'd like to make a reservation, please.
Oh, what kind of reservation, ma'am?
What is the most expensive room?
The most expensive room, ma'am, in our hotel, ma'am, is a deluxe room. It's complete amenities and facilities. It's amounting of 5,000 per night. Would you like to take it?
Okay, yes, I'll take it.
Okay, ma'am. Is it okay, ma'am, that I can get your name, ma'am?
My name is Abigail Sabate.
Abigail Salvamante.
Ma'am, nag-face phone.
What's the number, ma'am?
321555.
321555. And the date and time of arrival, ma'am?
I will arrive tomorrow, 12 noon.
November 22 at 12 noon. How many days will you stay, ma'am?
2 days and 2 nights.
For 2 days.
Yes,
How many person, ma'am?
1 person.
Okay, 1 person. What the mode of payment, ma'am?
Upon may arrival,
Upon arrival. Is it okay, ma'am, that I can repeat your reservation, ma'am?
yes, go ahead.
By the way, ma'am, your name is Abigail Sabramante and your number is 321555. And your arrival is November 22, 2024 at 12 noon. Your room rate is 5,000 per night, a total of 10,000. And you're staying for 2 days, 1 person. Your mode of payment is for your arrival. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, that's right.
Do you have any further need, ma'am?
No,
By the way, ma'am, if you have any further assistance, don't hesitate to call us. Thank you for choosing us and thank you.
bye.
Bye.
Please double check.
Arrival, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to JJ from our hotel. My name is Roman Sadora. May I help you, ma'am?
Hi, good morning. I reserved reservation tomorrow, yesterday.
Okay, ma'am. What's the name of reservation, ma'am?
I'm in the name of Abigail Sabate.
Abigail Sabramante. Is it okay, ma'am? You can wait for a minute. I will check in our system.
Yes, go ahead.
By the way, ma'am, upon our checking our system, you have a reservation under the name of Abigail Sabramante. And your room is a deluxe room. So complete amenities and facilities. You're staying for 2 days. And your payment, ma'am, is upon arrival, ma'am. Will you pay it for no, ma'am?
How much again?
Your payment, ma'am, is amounting of 10,000.
Wait a second, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Can I put my bag?
Yes.
10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,000. Please double check.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,000. I received, ma'am, 10,000.
Yes.
Just wait for a moment, ma'am.
Okay.
Just please send your ma'am for your reservation.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. By the way, ma'am, here's your key card. Your room number is 501, and here's your receipt, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. If you have any further assistance, ma'am, just call front office. Just dial 1 for front office, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Ring ring! Ring ring!
Thank you for calling front office. My name is Armando Sagarao. I'm a help you.
Hi, good morning. I'd like to say something about your shower. hot and cold shower is not functioning or working. Would you please come right away to fix because I have no time. I have a meeting.
Ma'am, sorry for that inconvenience, ma'am. For that situation, ma'am, I will call our maintenance to fix the shower, ma'am. And is it okay for you, ma'am, while you are waiting? We can transfer you to another room at room 502 so that you can relax and you can also have a comfortable. Is it okay for you, ma'am?
Okay, yes, that's good.
Okay, ma'am. And right away, ma'am, our staff come to your room and assist you to the another room.
Okay, thank you for solving this problem. I appreciate your good service and thank you for your cooperation.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. I appreciate that, ma'am. It's our duty, ma'am, to solve the problem and to serve our guests together. Thank you, ma'am. If you have, just wait, ma'am, for the staff, ma'am, if you will come to your room. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.